Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes using TurboTax, step by step. First, gather all your essential tax documents. This includes your W-2 forms from employers, any 1099 forms for contract work or investments, and other income statements. Don't forget to collect receipts for potential deductions, such as medical expenses, student loan interest, or charitable contributions. Having everything organized upfront will make the process much smoother and save you valuable time. Once your documents are ready, open TurboTax and start by entering your personal information, including your name, social security number, and filing status. Next, you'll input all your income details. TurboTax makes this straightforward, often allowing you to import W-2 data directly from many employers. For other income, like from investments or self-employment, you'll manually enter the figures from your 1099 forms. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to ensure accuracy. Now comes the exciting part, finding deductions and credits. TurboTax will ask a series of questions to help identify every deduction you qualify for, such as student loan interest, mortgage interest, or contributions to an IRA. It also helps you claim valuable tax credits, which can directly reduce your tax liability. After entering everything, take at least 10 minutes to carefully review your entire return. Double-check all numbers and ensure no information is missing. Finally, it's time to file. TurboTax offers the option to e-file your federal and state tax returns directly, which is the fastest and most secure method. If you owe taxes, you can pay electronically through the platform. If you're due a refund, you can choose direct deposit for quick access to your money. After confirming your submission, remember to save a digital or physical copy of your completed tax return for your records. Congratulations, you're done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.